And this video is for Miyuka vinyl sliding hooks, and these are awesome. Highly recommend these for your vinyl siding. And this is what they look like. You get a pack of 4 here, and looks very basic, very simple, but they are made of stainless steel, so they're not going to rust like others do. But anyway, these are hooks for your vinyl, so you can hang up pictures or just about anything you want. And then you don't have to drill holes into your siding. So let's check out and see how these work. So I wish I would have known about these before, because as you can see right here, I've drilled right into my vinyl siding to hang this, but that's all right. But anyway, these hooks are really easy to install. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it in to the siding like this, boom, and done. And it's hooked. And so now check this out. I have this hook right here with a 5-pound weight on it, which actually I've kind of found out that this can hang more than 5 pounds. But check that out. There's 5 pounds. 5 pounds hanging on that. Look at that. And I mean, you could really probably take 10 or 15. Like, I'm pulling a lot on it. So anyway, hangs pretty easy. Look at that. So definitely good hooks for your vinyl siding, and if you want to move them or adjust them, you just roll them out. But that's how that works. Super awesome. Definitely highly recommend, and that's how they go in. Check them out.